What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand internet access to a range of computing resources, including network capabilities, data storage, development tools, applications, and servers, both physical and virtual. These resources are housed at a remote data center under the management of a cloud service provider as known as CSP. These resources are provided by the CSP in exchange for a monthly subscription fee or usage-based billing. In contrast to conventional on-premises IT, cloud computing can assist with the following depending on the cloud services you choose. Firstly, cloud computing is a lower IT cost. You can delegate some or all of the expenses and work associated with building, setting up, configuring and maintaining your own premises infrastructure by using the cloud. Secondly, cloud computing improves agility and time to value. By utilizing cloud computing, your company may begin utilizing corporate apps in a matter of minutes as opposed to waiting weeks or months for IT to process requests, acquire and set up necessary hardware and install software. Additionally, you may enable select users, developers, and data scientists in particular to assist themselves with software and support infrastructure through the usage of the cloud. Lastly, cloud computing scales more easily and cost-effectively. Cloud computing offers elasticity, allowing you to scale capacity up and down in response to traffic spikes and dips rather of buying extra capacity that is idle during slow times. Utilizing the extensive global network of your cloud provider can also help you bring your application closer to users everywhere.
There are four main types of cloud computing. The first one is private cloud, public cloud, hybrid clouds, and the last one is multi-cloud. The difference between public cloud, private cloud, hybrid clouds, and multi-cloud were one easily defined by location and ownership. The first one, the public cloud are cloud environment typically created from IT infrastructure not owned by the end user. Some of the largest public cloud providers such as Alibaba Cloud, Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. The second one is private clouds are loosely defined as cloud environments solely dedicated to a single end user or group, where the environment usually runs behind that user or group firewall. The third one is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a single IT environment created from multiple environments connected through local area network such as wide area network, virtual private networks, and APIs. The last one is multi-cloud. Multi-clouds are a cloud approach made up of more than one cloud service from more than one cloud vendor, public or private. All hybrid clouds are multi-cloud, but not all multi-cloud are hybrid clouds. Multi-cloud become hybrid clouds when multiple clouds are connected by some form of integration or orchestration.
There are three common types of cloud computing services, which are SaaS, Software as a Service, Infrastructure as a Service, and PaaS, Platform as a Service. And some organizations use all three simultaneously. The first one, SaaS, also known as Software as a Service, and also known as cloud-based software or cloud applications, is a cloud computing model where software applications are provided over the internet on a subscription basis. Instead of installing and maintaining software locally, users can access the application through just a normal web browser. The second service is Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, is a cloud computing model that provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. In IaaS, users can rent virtualized hardware such as servers, storage, and networking components on a pay-as-you-go basis. Lastly, there is Platform as a Service. PaaS is a cloud computing model that provides a comprehensive environment for developing, testing, and deploying applications. PaaS offerings include tools, services, and integrated development environments that streamline the application development process.
Disadvantages of cloud computing. The first, downtime is often cited as one of the biggest cloud computing disadvantages. Since cloud computing systems are internet-based, service outages are always an unfortunate possibility and can occur for any reason. The second one, security and privacy. Although cloud service providers implement the best security standards and industry certifications, storing data and important files on external service providers always open up risks. Any discussion involving data must address security and privacy, especially when it comes to managing sensitive data. We must not forget what happened at CodeSpace and the hacking of their AWS EC2 console, which led the data deletion and the eventual shutdown of the company. Their dependence on remote cloud-based infrastructure meant taking on the risk of outsourcing everything. The last one, vulnerability to attack. Going on with the drawbacks of cloud computing, another one concerns vulnerability. In cloud computing, every component is online, which exposes potential vulnerabilities. Even the best teams suffer severe attacks and security breaches from time to time. Since cloud computing is built as a public service, it's easy to run before you learn to walk. After all, no one at a cloud vendor checks your administration skills before granting you an account. All it takes to get started is generally a valid credit card.
I'm a scat